Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the data modeling process. Data modeling is very important in data analysis. Okay. So what is the data analysis? What is the data modeling process? So data modeling is the process which occurs after the data transformation. So already we discussed about the data load from different sources in Power BI, and then how we can transform our data as per the requirement in Power BI. Then now we start the data modeling process. So data modeling is the process or is the step which occurs after the data transformation. So what it contains? In data modeling, we can generate the relationship between different data sets, or we can say data sets as table. So data modeling is the process to generate the relationship between relationship okay. So we can generate the relation between the different tables. Okay. So relation in tables, or we can say as data sets. Consider you have the A, B, C, D are the different tables where the each and every table contains different fields and their multiple records. Okay, so these are the different fields contains each and every table, and I want to generate the relationship between these different tables. So why I want to generate the relationship? What is the importance or what is the use of the relationship? Okay. So consider you have a fields which are present in different two tables. Consider there is a one field as A1 in table A, okay, and B1 in table B. So I want to generate new column or new field in table A, new column in table A with the help of A1 and B1. Okay. So the column value contains the multiplication of A1 and B1. Okay. The column value contains the multiplication of A1 and B1. Then how we can generate this A1 into B1 value? Okay. Because I have a table A1 and I have a table A and table B. There is a A1 field in table A and there is a B1 field in table B. Okay. So with the help of these two fields, I want to generate new field in table A. So formula for this A1 into B1. Then how we can do this? So for that, there is the relationship is very important in these two tables. So how we can generate the relationship? Relationship is generated with the help of common fields. There is a one field which is common in these two tables. Like There is a simple example for that is the primary key and foreign key. If you know the primary key and foreign key concept in database. So if you don't know this concept, no worry, we can discuss here. Okay. So forget about the foreign key and primary key. Consider table A contains ID 1. Okay. There is a field ID 1. Okay. The same field also present in table B. There is same field also present in table B. So the primary field, which is the primary key. So a table contains ID 1 is the primary field. So it's a primary key for table A. And there is a reference key. There is a reference key in any table is the primary key of the another table. So such a key is known as foreign key. Okay. So if these two fields or same fields are present in two different or multiple tables, then we can generate the relationship between these two tables. So with the help of this ID field, we can generate the relationship between A and B table. Okay. So importance of relationship is to get the values from different tables. Okay, where you want the values from which table. For that, relationship is important. And this relationship generation process is nothing but your data modeling process. In data modeling process, we create the relationship between different tables. So with the help of some data sets and in Power BI application, we see what is the importance of the data modeling process. Okay. Now, with the help of practical example, we check the process. Okay. So now I have the Power BI application, and here already some data sets are loaded, and already on these data sets or on these tables I have done some requirement transformation, so data is ready to process. Okay, data is ready to process. So we already see how we can check these data sets. So with the help of table view, we can check the records from these different data tables or data sets. So I have category, geography, product, sales, sales representative, and subcategory. Okay. So these are the different tables. So in Power BI, for the data modeling process, here is the model view option. In the model view, you can see all your data sets or tables like this. Okay, the tables and their fields. So model view. So here we see there is a no relationship between any table or any data sets. Okay. Okay. So what is the importance? Now, if I go to this table view and go to the sales table, okay. So here I have some requirement like this. So here is a task one as a requirement. Requirement is calculate total revenue in a sales table. So I want to generate total revenue column in sales table. For that, for that, they give the some reference using the product retail price. So retail price is present in product table and multiplying it by the units. Okay. So here retail price is multiplied by units, then we get the total revenue. But here is the problem. What is the problem? So units are present here in sales table. Okay. Units are present in sales table. And in a product table, here is the retail price. So I want to access these retail price in the sales table. So how I can access? So for that, we need to generate the relationship between these two tables. And this process is nothing but the data modeling. So how we can generate these two, how we can generate the relationship? So I already explained there is a same field which is present in both the tables. Okay. So likewise, we can check one by one which fields are same in which table. So here is the first table is category, and category table contains category and category key. Where is the category key is present because it's a numeric field. So where is the category key? So category key is present in category field, subcategory table. So we can generate the relationship between category and subcategory with the help of Power BI data model view like this. It's very easy in Power BI model view. Just drag and drop the field which is same in the table. So here we can generate the relationship between these two tables. So relationship is shown by this line. Okay. Then next geography. So geography table contains geo ID, and here is the sales table contains also geo ID. So we can generate the relationship between geography and sales table with the help of geo ID field. So just drag and drop your common fields, then you can generate your relationship in the tables. So Power BI model view, it's very easy to do this. Then next, the next sales representative. So sales representative ID is present here, and in sales table, there is also sales representative ID. Then you can just drag and drop your sales representative ID here. Then you can generate relationship between sales representative and sales table. Okay. This is the relation. Okay. Now, subcategory. Subcategory already having relation with category, and if there is another key which is present else in any table, then we can generate more relationship. So check subcategory key contains subcategory key, subcategory name, subcategory key. Sorry, category key, subcategory name, subcategory key. If there any another table contains any field of this. So here product table contains subcategory key. So here is the subcategory key, and we can just drag and drop here subcategory key. Then in these two tables, the relationship is generated. Okay. So now we can check sales table. So sales table, so many fields. So with the help of GeoID, we generate the relationship. Then with the help of sales representative ID, we generate the relationship. There is a one field as product ID. There is a one field as product ID. So with the help of product ID, we can generate the sales and product table relation, because product table also contains the product ID. So with the help of this field, we generate the relationship between these two tables. And this process, creating the relationship between different tables, such a process is known as data modeling. And after this data modeling, you can get or access of any value from any table with the help of this relationship. Okay. For today, we stop here. We discuss about the data modeling, and next phase or next video, we discuss about how we can use these relationships. Okay. Thank you for today.